we're about to start work on an S2000. It got front-ended. As you can see here, some of the frame area that was damaged, and we're going to go ahead and start working on it. So here's the fender of the S2000, and we're going to quickly walk over to the S2000 that's currently being worked on. So you can see here's another 370Z that he's going to be working on a little bit later, but here is the S2000 that is a bit damaged. I'll show you in the front in a few minutes. We got a brand new engine right here and tranny that we're also going to be dropping into that S2000 a little bit later. But a quick snippet of video so that you guys can see what's happening. But as you can see right here, and sorry for the jitter on my camera because I'm recording this with a cell phone, but as you can see, here's a new front frame mount area. We took out the old damage section and welded a brand new set in. So as you can see, it's getting ready to get in drop of a new motor. So as we progress with this installation, at least new rearrangement, we will show you the progress of the S2000 build.
Okay, so we're working on a 2006 s2k. It's the AP2 version. When we pick up this car as a project, it has it had a front end impact. It was a sideway impact. So the frame rail was sort of pulled from the passenger side to the driver side. So we cut off about maybe like 1.5 feet of the front frame rail, plus we installed 2 brand new aprons and the whole upper and lower control radius support. And what we're doing next is we're pulling out the driver's seats, and we're gonna drop a brand new convertible top back onto the car. The old one was sort of faded and it was kind of weathered, so we're gonna install a newer black color convertible top on it.
Of the S2000 that we're looking at right now. We're going to be rebuilding this. As you can see, has no motor. We dropped the motor. It's sitting in the corner right over there. See, right over there. So that's where the motor is. But this is coming back to life with a couple of donated parts from another S2000 that was totally salvage. So we're putting this stuff together. This is the motor for the S2000. As you can see, it is the red engine cover, vtec. It's a fairly new engine, fairly clean. It's 2006, but at least it's not much punishment has been done to this yet, so it's still fairly in good condition. So we're going to be dropping this into the S2000 as part of the build. Definitely going to be a fun project car. There it is. This is the old tranny. As you can see, that's the old tranny. This is a brand new tranny with everything in here. So if you know S2000, you know that this is one of the sought after cars ever since it came out in the Fast and Furious, the very first one. So you will see that as part of our build, we're going to put this little baby back together. Do a quick dry fitment of the convertible area for this S2000. So let's see how this goes. We're going to take another video right after we put it on. Right now we're doing the rear cover. So here it is.
We're putting this puzzle back together. After tweaking around with it, we realized that all you simply do, instead of this bracket goes originally we thought this bracket goes into the quarter panel here as a mounting point, but it just wouldn't allow us to do that. So after like about 10 minutes of figuring it out, you just simply have the convertible top in a closed position, and you just simply drop the bracket right onto these mounting holes right here. And then this is the connections for the convertible top motor, and it just simply connects to the male end of the convertible top that powers up the motor. That's it.